Forex Academy. We are here in Accra, East Legon. I have told you that I am now in Accra, waiting to teach you one-on-one, physically, every Saturday. If you are watching me, come. You can see the breeze. This tells you that I am in Accra. So please, make time and come. Physical, one-on-one. I want to meet you so that we learn Forex trading together. Pick the numbers on the screen, okay? Just pick these numbers and let's talk via WhatsApp. Now, on Saturdays, every Saturday, we have the morning session, which is at 9 a.m. And then we have the afternoon session, which is at 2 p.m. And then the evening session, which is the online session, at 4 o'clock p.m. All this is Ghana time. Ghana time. So I want to meet you either physically or online for us to learn Forex together. I know you have been waiting for this opportunity. The opportunity is here now. I want you to grab it. Let's meet and learn Forex trading the right way. $50, leading Forex. I want to see you. Pick the numbers on the screen once again. WhatsApp or just call and let's do the talking. Now, if you want to join the online session, anywhere you are in the world, you can be part of the online session. Anywhere you are in the world, online session is for you. But if you can meet me one-on-one physically, then come. Every Saturday, the 9 a.m. session is there, and then the 2 p.m. session is there. Let's meet one-on-one, face-to-face in Accra, East Legon. Once you get to East Legon, or just pick the numbers on your screen, let's talk, and we'll give you direction. The cost involved for a month is just $100. $100 for a month, and I'm sure you will be a blessing, and Forex trading will become something you love to do. Let's meet and pray together. Let's meet and learn together. $50. Thank you very much.